Hey guys, I just want to show you this little mod I made to the drone. I want to make it easier to find if I really lose it catastrophically. I fly up in the mountains, there's lots of trees, lots of big giant boulders that I could lose it on. Some of these boulders are like 60, 70 feet high with lots of cracks and crevices. But anyways, if I have a catastrophic failure, like I crash into something or the battery just quits, I just want to be able to have a little bit added help finding it. And so what I've done is I've added DOT reflector tape, and this is stuff they sell for marking vehicles. You can buy it on Amazon. It's just a big sticker sheet, and you usually see these on semi-trucks or trailers. And anyway, so I cut it into little strips, mounted it to the surfaces of the drone, pretty much any angle you can see it at. There's a little tiny reflector on it, and I figure if I can't find the drone in the daytime, I can go out dusk or dawn and shine a really bright flashlight and go see if I can see the little reflector strips reflecting back to me. So anyways, I'm going to go outside and test it right now. All right, to test this out, I've set this drone down in the grass here with some snow. I'll walk down that way quite a ways, and we're going to shine the flashlight around to see if we can see how well we can pick up the drone. Anyway, so the reason I wanted to do this was, I've seen the videos where people's batteries die and then the thing automatically goes to land, or if you crash into a tree, or crash into a rock, it's going to be hard to find it if it's away from you. And I figure if you can't find it in the daytime, a little helper at night would be really nice. And so I'm probably about 100 feet away from it now. We're going to shine the flashlight around. That's a little container right there, but anyways, where was I at? I don't even remember where I was at. Pretty funny, but oh, there it is. Look at that. Walking around, finding it in the dark. It was behind a tree when I walked down the hill. There's the tree way up there, and if I move to the side here, you can see right in the middle where the flashlight's pointing right now. That thing is reflecting really brightly back. Worked pretty good. You can see it right there. Definitely. All right, I'm gonna go walk up and recover it. Take it back inside. It's pretty cold out here. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.